Hi everyone, happy 2024. I'm Alexandra, the brand educator for MDPen, if you don't already know me. And today I wanted to start off the new year by talking about new skin with Endymed's intensive device. The intensive handpiece you guys may know of. This is the RF Microneedling handpiece from Endymed. It is FDA approved. It is on its third generation, and it is absolutely amazing. Please feel free to ask questions in the comments today, guys. I will try my best to answer them and do participate. Along with MDPen Microneedling, our skincare here at MDPen is also great to use post-Endymed treatments with intensive as aftercare in the office and also at home for your clients and patients. If you're someone watching from the general public who's having microneedling or RF microneedling treatments done and your provider has not told you what to use, or maybe you'd like to try something a little bit different, feel free to check out our skincare. So yes, the intensive handpiece from Endymed is their RF microneedling handpiece. These are 24 gold-plated needles. It is a single cartridge, single use per patient. You have 1,000 passes on there, so plenty. You have a setting where you can do a pulse mode, but for beginners, I think the pedal method is best. As you make contact with the skin with that handpiece, you're going to push the pedal, and those needles are going to insert into the skin in the most gentle way. You do, of course, numb for this treatment, which will make it quite painless for your clients, which is amazing. The energy sweet spot with the intensive handpiece is going to be around 62 to 70 degrees Celsius, depending. RF microneedling with Endymed treats so many things. Of course, there's acne scarring, surgical scars, textures, tightening, deep wrinkles, fine lines, stretch marks, dilated pores, loose sagging skin, but also things like cellulite, hyperhidrosis, which is excessive sweating. So definitely great for the underarms if you have clients that no longer want to do Botox, which is approved for hyperhidrosis, or some of the other methods like prescription deodorants and whatnot. So yeah, can do hyperhidrosis as well as hyperpigmentation. This can help break up pigmentation as well. Now, with Endymed Intensive, one treatment with that is estimated to have the results of 2 to 3 regular microneedling treatments. And although it can have a higher price ticket, not just for you as the professional, but also for the patient, they're going to get 2 to 3 times the results they would with regular microneedling. Plus, you have that really nice heat component, and that is going to make the skin tighter. So this is where it's going to help again with that loose, sagging skin, add some contour in areas where you need it. And this is all something you can control. However, the device has amazing pre-settings. So for example, when you get to the periorbital area around the eyes, it's going to drop your depth, control your energy, because you're in an area with thinner, of course, more sensitive skin. So that's always going to adjust there. And you're probably wondering, how is this different from other radio frequency microneedling devices on the market? Great question. So with Intensive by Endymed, there's this thing called impedance monitoring. And even though these are going to be non-insulated tapered needles, the taperedness is what is going to control the delivery of the energy. So rather than that same amount of strong energy moving along the entire length of the needle, we want the max of that energy at the dermal layer. We want to be working above the subcutaneous fat tissue. We don't need that intense energy all the way down. And this is how you're able to use this device on all Fitzpatrick's with no issues there. So this really does set it aside, and you're still getting that deep dermal heating. I see some questions coming in. Thank you guys so much. But yes, we want the most energy at the tip of the needle where we're working there at the dermis. The dermis is that nice, firm mattress pad really that holds up your skin. And as we lose collagen, as we age, so 25 and older, we start to lose it more and more every decade. We have to build back up that mattress, that supportive area. So that's why as you age, not only do you see fine lines and wrinkles more, but even things like pores, texture become more obvious because you're starting to lose that collagen as well. All right. Hi, Shanna. So she's asking, does this work for excess skin from losing fat? This will help tighten. Yes. The awesome thing about the Endymed device is most professionals that buy it are going to have a RF component handpiece alongside the intensive where they can actually do both, which is going to give even better results. But yes, the intensive will add that extra component of tightening for loose skin and sagging that regular microneedling cannot do. It's going to be even better if you can incorporate the additional RF handpiece. And definitely stay tuned from MDPen for this exact topic because there will definitely be more coming out this month. So that's a great topic. I know it's a big thing right now. Hi, Sarah. Is RF microneedling treatment more painful than traditional microneedling treatment? So if you were to not use numbing, the answer is yes, because there is that element of heat to it. But as long as you're using a great compounded numbing, that your medical director has approved, you as the patient or your patients are going to be extremely comfortable with this device. Question, I'm trying to lose weight right now. Does this treatment help in contouring and tightening? Yeah, it will definitely help. If you reach your weight loss goal and then want to do it, you can always do that. If you are considering filler and RF microneedling and you have the patience, I highly encourage you to do a series of 3 RF microneedling treatments once a month for 3 months. Let that collagen grow if you're patient enough to give it 6 months. So yeah, let's say you started now in January. You could do a treatment January, February, March. Let that collagen grow March through September, and then take a look at your skin in the fall. And if you still feel like you need injectables or other things, you could always do that then. So I just gave you a treatment plan. That's a great question. Thank you guys so much. And again, there will be more content on this device. If you have questions about it, if you want more information from MDPen, you can definitely go to our website. We have an email, a contract number there. If you are a professional, we also can provide a scheduling link to speak with someone at MDPen, a device specialist, if you would like more information. And definitely stay tuned for more content on RF, on Endymed. A few things I will say is after you end an Endymed intensive RF microneedling treatment, those MDPen Ultra Glide serums or the MDPen serum kit, this can be used as post-care. All of those products that many of you are used to using after your MDPen treatments with the MDPen microneedling can also be used. So the copper HA mist, you can use that. The intensive is done on dry skin, so you're not using things while you are doing your passes. But after you've completed them, absolutely, you can go in with your copper HA mist. You could use pure HA. Tighten and Lift is a wonderful serum post-intensive. It's going to give that extra component of tightening and lifting, especially if you've done the eyes or the jawline area. And as always, we recommend finishing with that nice layer of the growth factor gel. You're going to wear this home. If you're the client, you should have both of these in your post care would be great. Of course, you can always get this in the 1 ounce size that looks like this. but this would be great for you. But yeah, definitely put that thin layer of the growth factor gel on as you're sending your patients and clients home. PRP can, of course, be applied after intensive. It can be injected by a professional that has that training. And even if you have done PRP or PRF, you're still going to do that nice layer of the growth factor gel. If you guys want to check out these products, there's links here in the comments. Again, remember you have that retail shopping code right there on the screen, RF 2024. Definitely check that out. We have a kit called NDI. And this is an Endymed kit, and it's going to have some of those products I just mentioned. That kit is already 20% off, so you can check that out as well. Our post-care trio on there is also really nice if you're looking for more of like a set of 3 products. So thank you guys so much. Again, stay tuned for more content from MDPen, and I look forward to seeing you guys soon. Bye.